how to say, "Are you okay?" in Thai. Kun okay, my cop? Look at the tones. Tone check. Kun. Flat tone, right? You see no tone marker up here. No tone marker means flat tone. And this is one word. Okay. I wonder where they got that. And my is rising. And cup. I believe that you know all the words in this lesson. You know this lesson. But we're still going to go through it because repetition, and repetition. You know, they say about English, so I forget the exact incident, but of course, you may remember it. Someone was asked if English borrowed words from other languages. So, English, if you look around, we've got tons of words that are, well, paradise, oasis are Arabic words. Parachute is French, right? Omelette is French. And croissant is French, right? What else? Well, tacos, burritos, tortillas, all that kind of stuff. Those are words that we've borrowed from another language.
คุณโอเคไหมครับคุณโอเคไหมครับคุณโอเคไหมครับ
คุณโอเคไหมครับคุณโอเคไหมครับคุณโอเคไหมครับ
All right. Repeat after me. คุณโอเคไหมครับคุณโอเคไหมครับ
The lesson you just learned is one small part of a complete lesson, and you can get a lot of free freebies at my site, TheThaiLanguage.com. TheThaiLanguage.com